Hello YouTubers, Tracy Renee here, and I'm getting ready to show you a review on this wig called Las Bombas by Vanessa. Okay, this is what the box looks like. Okay, it came like this to me today by UPS, and I got it in what's called a F3240. That is the number of the color of this wig. Okay, as you can see, it is blonde and it has blonde highlights. I wouldn't have it any other way. I love this color. I want to show you guys just how long it is. Okay, it's 30 inches. Alright, it comes to here on me. So I'll show you the back. And in the back, it comes to my butt. Okay, and I am exactly 5'2" and a few inches, so that makes me short. So if you're 5'2", it's going to hit you in the same area that it's hit me. Alright, it's very bouncy. I'm totally in love with it. It doesn't have any parting space. It is a full cap wig, although it does have lace, and I cut the lace. It has 3 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back. Okay, and I'm very happy with it. It's not sliding off. I'm not wearing a wig cap, and it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect, and it has an ombre effect. If you notice, it's blonde here, but it gets darker brown here. So that's one of the colors that it comes in. It also comes in 1B. It comes in 1, it comes in 2, it comes blonde. A lot of different colors at Hair to Beauty. I don't know any other sites that carry this wig. Okay, so this is also what the girl looks like on the front. She doesn't look like me, but there you go. If you want to look for her on the website of Hair to Beauty. It's the only website I know that has this. If the others have it, then I don't know. Okay, so anyway, this is the review. I hope I've said enough about the wig to make you want to go out and get it. All you long hair don't care girls, I'm one of them. Go get this wig, and don't be afraid to wear color. Us black girls, we can wear color. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.